My name's Matt Luker. I've been here for about 12 years now, and I just handle a lot of the applied projects that's come into the lab. The things where companies need to get something modeled, and then they pay us to do that modeling. And the majority of that is physical modeling. The first thing that usually happens is we always submit a proposal no matter what the project is. We need to get the financial, how much it's going to cost, what exactly we're going to do, set up the scope for the project, and then they'll accept that, and then it'll go through the university legal agreements between the university and the client. And from that point, there's a go date, and we just start working on it. The current project we have now is the Broadway lift station. This is kind of an ongoing relationship with other groups. The Broadway lift station is actually a required physical model study due to the scale, due to the size of that pumping station. So MWH Americas needed to find a physical modeling lab or team to do that physical modeling. And so they asked the Army Corps of Engineers if they had any recommendations, and they actually recommended us. That overall project, the Broadway lift station, is in response to some major flooding that happened in Minot in 2011. And that's generally how these larger projects start up, is there's some kind of event that caused some damage. The Broadway pumping station, in general, is designed to take stormwater runoff and pump it over the levees that will be in the Minot area. So with the addition of these levees along the riverway, the issue now comes up that the natural watershed can't just flow down the hill from the city into the river. So now they have this problem where they need to pump out of that area in front of the levee and into the river. It's a very classical physical model, but we do have the capability to get the flows necessary to run that very easily. We only have one, there's 4 outlets to it. We have measuring all those flows, and it's kind of unique in which we're not using only one pump to feed it, and then we can just use gravity flows to draw it all out. So we have the physical ability we have the flows to do it at the appropriate scale, and we have the expertise to make excellent measurements.